to the calling of the wild, nature in its free state, to taste freedom in its entirety. The less trodden roads away to earthly paradise awaits my arrival. How the wind calls, how the rain invites, how the clouds mesmerize, how waterfalls beg me. Freedom, freedom, freedom. Live my life to the fullest, to my heart's content. I don't need consent. Trail all the way, there I find solace. Oh, I pack my bags, ride my royal, down and up the hills, enjoy the view, refresh my mind a